Hey guys, sorry I missed out a lot of other trains earlier because all of a sudden I got real busy and especially with the Cowboys football game. So I do want to apologize and also for taking this long to come out. But now here comes 21. Here comes 358. Alright, there goes Amtrak Texas Eagle 21. And then coming up, a call train is up on the way, so stay tuned. Bye bye.